So we have this really scratched up watch. And since you're far away, just videotape the TV screen. Okay, so right here, which is nice, is we'll just clean up. Okay, so before I finish, I want you to stop and I want you to feel the difference. Look at how there's no, oh wait, hold on. But I just want you to feel, right now, let me stop for a second, and I want you to feel the difference. Like there's no difference. Yeah, there's no difference.
But you have to be very straight on the...
No, look. Watch. Okay, this is flat. Feel it. You can feel it with your hands. Come feel it. It won't hurt you. So it's easy. So someone just has to push. So like even if I don't even look, I go like this. Look, I'm looking at you. I feel like a blind person could work on it. Like you can feel it. You know what I mean? Already look. So but you know when you watch, you can see everything evenly. And you just change the pattern and it removes the scratches beautifully. No, material or the design, the logo. Yes, so right now I think I got all the scratches out. There's still some pits right here. So you just hold it there. Yeah, everything's good. I'm a perfectionist. It has to be perfect. Okay, so if you look, there's still some pits right there. You just hold it right there and it works it. And there, you're gone. Beautiful. Look at this, sublime. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're perfection. Perfect. Now, you can choose from here to polish or to put a satin finish on. It's your choice, whatever satin finish you choose. But give me 1 second. These guys are fun. I didn't even put a satin finish. I didn't polish it. I did nothing. Take a look at this. There's no nothing. And most importantly, look at the side. Everything is still intact. I didn't even touch it. If I want, I can. But if I don't want, I don't affect the original factory price.
Because it's straight.
I do perfect. I'm a crazy person. I need perfection. Okay, so now I can polish this or I can put a satin finish. My satin finish will look like...
Who is looking for his watch?
I have his watch. That satin finish will look something like this. Tell me if you like. It'll look like this. Or finer. Whichever one you want. Yes, I like finer. Everybody, I keep telling everyone finer, and they all want quartz. And I'm like, that's not always the factory finish, but everybody always wants like more quartz, and I don't understand why.
They're still rolling on it.
They all want straight. So this is the final finished product. So do you see how the light has to follow? That is fluid, professional, like a factory finish. See that? Okay, so that was done on the Jooltool here in Germany. And we're with Beko Technik, and they're the ones that sell watch equipment. So we have fancy watchmakers over here, and this is one of their watches. So if you like what I see, subscribe to my channel, and there's more videos. Thanks for watching live from Germany. I'm Anie. If you have any questions, comment and subscribe. I'm the one that answers you.